Hello, knowledge seekers. In this episode of 20-Minute Books, we're diving into Unlimited Memory by Kevin Horsley. This 2014 guide offers powerful techniques to enhance your memory, ensuring you can remember and retain any piece of information, whether it's names, numbers, or complex concepts. Kevin Horsley, an international grandmaster of memory, shares his profound understanding of the mind's workings. Through his consultancy work with global organizations, he offers insights on learning, motivation, and creativity, which are distilled into practical strategies for everyday memory improvement. Unlimited memory is ideal for those who find themselves often forgetful, lovers of facts and figures, or anyone who struggles with remembering names. Join us as we explore how to organize and rewire our minds to remember more and forget less. Unlimited Memory: How to Use Advanced Learning Strategies to Learn Faster, Remember More, and Be More Productive. Introduction: Unlock your mind. Boost your memory skills. Imagine this: you're at an event, mingling and meeting new faces. Suddenly, you bump into someone familiar, someone you've definitely met before. You exchange pleasantries, but there's just one snag. You can't recall their name. Sounds familiar? We've all faced those awkward moments where our memory seems to desert us at critical times. Wouldn't it be incredible if you could say goodbye to those embarrassing forgetful moments? Well, you're in luck because the techniques that follow can transform your memory from forgettable to formidable. In this narrative, you'll discover why envisioning a pink tuxedo could dramatically enhance your memory, how to transform your dull morning commute into an effective memory-enhancing session, and why the sweetest sound to someone's ears can be a key tool in your memory retention arsenal. Ready to revolutionize the way you remember? Let's dive in and explore these transformative strategies. Part 1. Enhance your focus to boost memory retention. Who wouldn't want a sharper memory? Yet, it's clear that many struggle with concentrating on the details necessary for enhanced memory. Thankfully, there are strategies to improve your focus, which in turn can greatly heighten your recall abilities. Let's start by addressing a common issue: internal conflict. This refers to anything that pulls your attention in various directions, thereby hampering your ability to concentrate. If you find yourself frequently switching between tasks like checking emails and texting, you're not alone. This is a typical scenario for many. The question arises: how can you eliminate such distractions without taking extreme measures? The answer lies in simplifying your approach. Stop multitasking. Research in neuroscience has shown that multitasking not only reduces your efficiency by 50%, but also heightens the likelihood of errors by the same margin. Take, for instance, the act of talking on the phone while driving. This seemingly benign multitask can result in reacting to brakes a half-second slower. At a speed of approximately 70 miles per hour, this tiny delay means your car travels an additional 51 feet before it stops, a critical distance in which numerous unforeseen incidents can occur. A more deliberate practice to improve concentration is grounding yourself with a clear purpose. This approach ensures you're constantly reminded of why you need to stay focused. For instance, if you're learning a new programming language with the goal to create a family website, this purpose serves as a continuous motivation. To solidify focus, engage with the PIC principle: purpose, interest, and curiosity. Define a clear purpose for learning, then stir up interest and curiosity with probing questions relevant to your life or career, such as, how can this knowledge be applied at my job? Or, is this relevant to my current professional skills? With your concentration sharpened through these strategies, you're now better equipped to tackle the next step: effective information retention. Ready to explore how to keep all that knowledge from slipping away? Let's proceed. Part 2. Spark your memory by turning information into vivid imagery. Have you ever experienced the frustration of reading a book page only to forget everything immediately? It's a common scenario, but it doesn't have to be a norm for you. One effective method to enhance memory retention is through engaging your creativity to visualize information vividly. This entails transforming dry data into dynamic, memorable mental images or movies. Words, for instance, provide a rich playground for creativity. They can often be split into components that sound like other words, allowing you to craft memorable and sometimes humorous associations. This technique is particularly useful for memorizing vocabulary from foreign languages or geographical details such as capital cities. For example, if you want to remember polo, the Spanish word for chicken, imagine yourself playing a game of polo on a giant chicken. This absurd image is likely to stick in your mind. Or to remember Canberra, the capital of Australia, envision a kangaroo munching on berries. Although it requires some practice to think this way, the method significantly simplifies memory retention. To further enhance the impact of your mental images, apply the C method. Firstly, consider the S enses. When trying to remember the word horse, don't just think of the word itself. Imagine the texture of its coat, the sound it makes, its smell, and even how it might taste. Creating a multisensory image makes it much easier to recall than just the word itself. Next up is exaggeration. Visualize something outlandish, like a gigantic bright pink horse wearing a tuxedo. The lack of logic makes it humorous and more memorable than a normal horse. Finally, energize your images. Picture the horse galloping energetically towards a beautiful sunset rather than just standing in a stable. Adding action turns the information into a vivid, dynamic scene that is more likely to be remembered. By employing your imagination to animate and amplify information, you transform the process of memory retention from mundane to memorable. Part 3. Organize your memories using familiar mental maps. Now that you've mastered the art of creating vivid, memorable images, the next step is organizing these images effectively in your mind. One of the most efficient methods for this is the LOCI method, also known as the route method. This technique leverages places and routes familiar to you, integrating new information with well-known spaces. We humans excel at remembering locations and routes. Think about how easily you can recall the details of your daily commute. This innate skill forms the basis of most memory-enhancing systems, which utilize the concept of LOCI. Here is how you can apply the LOCI method. Suppose you need to memorize sections of a speech. Begin by visualizing a familiar route in your home. As you mentally walk through this route, assign different parts of your speech to specific locations or landmarks within your home. For example, if your journey starts in the kitchen, you might choose your favorite pink breakfast bowl as the first LOCI or stopping point. Visualize something memorable here, like the horse in a pink tuxedo from the SE method, to represent the first paragraph of your speech. Maybe the horse is humorously spinning the bowl on its head to reinforce the memory. Moving on, perhaps the next part of your speech talks about summer camp. You could associate this with an image of your family, pictures on the refrigerator, thereby creating a strong mental link. The beauty of the LOCI method lies in its versatility. It can be applied to any structured location that you know well, such as your car, your body, or even a museum. By strategically organizing your route to hold specific items, such as 5 objects per room, you ensure not only that each piece of information is stored, but also that it's stored in a precise sequence. Still skeptical about the effectiveness of this method? Consider that the author himself successfully used this technique to memorize the first 10,000 digits of pi, demonstrating just how powerful organizing your memories with familiar mental maps can be. Part 4. Transform numbers into memorable sounds and images. It's always impressive to see someone recall intricate mathematical figures or historical dates effortlessly. If you aspire to have such recall ability, here is a straightforward 3-step method to help you remember numbers using sounds and images. The core idea is to convert numbers into memorable images by first turning them into associated sounds. Begin by learning a system that maps numbers to specific letters or sounds. For instance, consider the number 0 which can be represented by the letters S, Z, and C. To make this connection easier to remember, think of the hissing sound of a wheel, which visually resembles 0. Each number from 0 to 9 is assigned to a group of consonants that sound similar. For example, the sounds for 6 could be J, SH, CH, or a soft G. To aid memory, you can also relate the shape of numbers to letters. For example, turning 2 and 3 sideways transforms them into the letters N and M, respectively. Similarly, flipping 9 can make it resemble the letters P or B. Initially, vowels are excluded, but they play a role later in the system. The next step involves transcribing a specific number or date into its corresponding sounds. For example, to remember the crucial year 1969, when humans first set foot on the moon, most key events occur in the last millennium, requiring you to recall just 969. The related sounds, B, sh, and P, can be creatively combined to form the word buy shop. The final stage involves visualizing this word using the C principle: sensory-rich, exaggerated, and energized images. Picture a bishop boogieing on the moon alongside Neil Armstrong. This vivid, unusual scene enhances recall significantly. With this method, you transform numbers into words and then into striking images, simplifying the process of remembering specific numbers or dates. Now, creating unforgettable images from numbers should feel less daunting and more within your reach. Part 5. Master the art of remembering names with the 4C system. Forgetting someone's name right after being introduced is both common and awkward, but it doesn't have to be so. Embrace the 4C's method: concentrate, create, connect, and continuous use, to ensure that you never find yourself in this uncomfortable situation again. The first step is arguably the most crucial: concentrate. When you meet someone, listen intently to their name. Repeat it aloud right after hearing it, and if it's unfamiliar or complex, don't hesitate to ask for the spelling. This initial focus sets the foundation for remembering. Next, create a vivid, memorable image linked to the name. For instance, using the surname Horsley, you could visualize a dynamic scene where a horse is in a martial arts battle with Bruce Lee. Such imaginative associations make the name stick more effectively than mere repetition. Then, connect this image to the person's face. This visual association anchors the name image to their physical appearance, meaning the next time you see them, the quirky image, and thus their name, will come to mind more readily. For names that resonate with something familiar, using the connection method is highly effective. Consider Janice and her icy blue eyes. Imagine icicles emerging from them when you try to recall her name. Alternatively, if you have multiple acquaintances with the same name, employ the comparison method by visualizing them together and noting distinctive features. Finally, continuous use is vital for long-term retention. Revisit the names frequently by incorporating them into conversations, jotting them down in your diary, or tagging them in social media posts. Regular usage reinforces memory pathways, making recall easier and more natural over time. With the 4Cs method, you're not just memorizing names, you're building a personal catalog of memorable images and connections that ensure you'll always greet acquaintances and colleagues by name with confidence. In the concluding section, we'll explore strategies to ensure these names and other critical information remain permanently etched in your memory. Part 6. Reinforce your memory through strategic review. How much of your school education do you still recall? According to research by the author, 2 years after leaving school, most people retain only about 3 weeks' worth of knowledge from 12 years of daily classes. This stark statistic highlights a critical truth. Without an effective method to reinforce what you've learned, most knowledge tends to fade. Simply put, without revisiting the material you've learned, all your efforts in brain training could be in vain. The key to cementing this information in your mind is a thoughtful review process. Revisiting memorized content has a compound effect. With each review, the information is embedded more deeply within your consciousness. To optimize retention, it's recommended to space out your review sessions increasingly. Start by reviewing the material 1 day after learning it, then again after 3 days, and extend the intervals progressively to 7 days, 2 months, and finally, 3 months. During these review sessions, it's crucial to employ the memory techniques you've learned. Recall the vivid images you created using the SEE principle. Is the dancing bishop still moonwalking with Neil Armstrong? Utilize these memorable images to reinforce the data. Stay aligned with your overarching goals to maintain motivation. For instance, if you're learning a new language, planning a trip to a country where it's spoken can provide a practical context and added encouragement for your studies. Ultimately, the essence of effectively retaining your hard-earned knowledge lies in diligent and strategic review. By routinely revisiting and refreshing what you've learned, you ensure that your new knowledge remains clear, accessible, and useful long after you've initially encountered it. Final summary. The crux of improving your memory lies in your ability to animate and personalize the information. To truly make facts and data stick, intertwining them with existing knowledge, unleashing your creativity for vivid imagery, and actively engaging your senses are paramount. Moreover, consistent review ensures that these memories are not only retained, but also reinforced over time. With this approach, you transform memory enhancement from a daunting chore into an engaging, effective skill for personal and professional growth. Thank you for joining me today on this journey of learning and discovery as we explored the insights of another thought-provoking book in our growing library of knowledge. If you've enjoyed our time together, please take a moment to follow our podcast, give us a 5-star rating, and share 20-minute books with other knowledge seekers. Your support truly means a lot. Don't forget to join me again in the next episode, where we will delve into another enriching book. Until then, happy reading and happy listening.